Hey, honey bunches of oats, it's Jackie, and guess what? Jackie's cooking, and today we are going to make some fried mac and cheese balls. They're quick, they're easy, and it's a good twist to getting rid of that leftover mac and cheese. Let's get to it. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so you can get weekly updates on new recipes, okay? And don't forget to like and share. Let your friends know Jackie's cooking. So we have some mac and cheese balls, okay? Some flour, some breadcrumbs, some eggs, and potato chips. The recipe will be in the bottom description link. So we have our mac and cheese. You take a scoop and you're just gonna roll it in between your hands to create a ball, okay? At this point, guys, if you want, you could take a piece of cooked shrimp and put in between it and roll it. A piece of chicken, leftover chicken, put it in the middle and roll it, just to get rid of those leftovers and put a good use to it. One thing I cannot stand is food that is wasted. So here it is. I was able to get 6 mac and cheese balls, okay? And we're gonna use these balls and we're gonna coat them, and the goal is to fry them. And I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do, okay? So we have our potato chips. Okay, you could use any potato chips you want, anything to your liking, sour cream, regular, whatever. And I'm just gonna crush it into the breadcrumbs. You don't have to use breadcrumbs, you can just use the chips. The only reason why is because I didn't want to use all my husband's chips and he only had a little bit. He was like, don't use all my chips. So I said, okay, so I'll stretch it with the breadcrumbs. Okay, see, the goal here is to crush them, okay, with your hands. Easy, nothing difficult. You don't have to season it or nothing like that because, of course, the chips are already seasoned unless you're using unsalted chips. And the breadcrumbs are already seasoned as well, okay? And here we go, okay? So now we are going to take our mac and cheese balls and we're going to first dip it in the flour, give it a nice coating, then we're going to put it into our beaten egg mixture, get it nice and coated. Okay, and then we're going to put it into our breadcrumb and potato chip mixture. And boom, that's it. Put it to the side, and when you're ready to fry them, get them going. Okay? Just like that. See, guys, with this, it's so good because if you have some leftover mac and cheese, and let's say you have company coming over, you could take it, you could do this recipe, fry them up, and serve them. Or let's say they come in later on and you know they're coming, you won't feel like doing a whole bunch of work and you got stuff left over, you could stuff them and roll them out, fry them, and then when they're on their way, or you know they're on their way, take them, put them in the oven so you can heat them up, and baby, serve it. That's it. One thing I cannot stand is wasted food. I can't. Because there's so many people that are hungry in the world, and when I see people throwing away food, that's a mouth you could feed. That's just my pet peeve. I cannot stand wasted food. Even in my own home, it bothers me. It gets under my skin. And here they are. Okay, so now I got this pot with some canola oil. You could fill it up halfway. You could deep fry it. or fill the oil up to halfway. Get it nice and hot. Okay, on medium heat. You could use canola. I use canola. You could use vegetable oil. Okay, and you're gonna fry them until golden brown. Move them around so they won't burn. Okay, get them nice and brown, and get your napkin ready so you can drench any leftover grease. And there you go. You see how quick and easy that was? Okay, and you can serve it with any sauce. I just took some spaghetti sauce to use as a dip. If you want to use any other sauce like ranch or what have you, go ahead. And look at that. Oh my God, look at all that cheese. Guys, it's a great appetizer. Definitely use this. And don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell and share my YouTube page. And guys, these were delicious. Let your friends, neighbors know that Jackie's cooking. Enjoy.